So a user comes in, they enter their email and hit send. This email is going to be grabbed and sent to our database where we're collecting a bunch of emails, like so. Now, after sending that email, you saw how our page changed from our landing page to this welcome page. Also, it's telling them check your email for a note from us. So our Dittofi application is grabbing the email, storing it in our database, and also dispatching an email to the email that we just got from our user. Welcome back to the Dittofi onboarding series. My name is Nelly. I'm head of education here at Dittofi. Last time I showed you around what this icon does. This is our front end builder. I showed you around what all of these icons do. This time around, I want to show you and explain what this icon does and everything found in here, what they do, what this icon does and what this icon does. All these three icons together, they have to do with our backend builder. This is our database, this is the actions, this is the endpoints. If front end, back end, database, endpoints, actions, if all these things don't make any sense to you, stop this video and watch the web developer beginner series video that I'm linking to on the top and in the description of this video, because you're gonna need to understand that for any of this to make sense. It's a bunch of videos that we put together to make sure that anybody that wants to build web applications have the context of all the concepts that come into web development. If you've watched those videos and you're here and you're ready, let me first show you what you're going to be able to build once you understand what these things do. What we're going to be able to build is going to be a landing page for an imaginary application called Tasky. Imagine we're building this application and we want to start gathering users' emails that we want to then tell that, hey, our application is ready, go download it, go test it out. We're building a landing page to collect emails. So a user comes in, they enter their email and hit send. This email is going to be grabbed and sent to our database where we're collecting a bunch of emails, like so. Now, after sending that email, you saw how our page changed from our landing page to this welcome page. Also, it's telling them check your email for a note from us. So our Dittofi application is grabbing the email, storing it in our database, and also dispatching an email to the email that we just got from our user. If you go to Dittofi and refresh this, you will see that we just got an email of our user. And if you're that user, you check your email, you refresh, look at that. If I look in the spams, sometimes you can get caught up in the spams. There you go. Welcome to Tasky. There you go. Not spam. There it is. So now, if I go here, look at that. This email was sent from our Tasky application. All that is done automatically by our no-code backend builder. So that is what we're going to be talking about. And to make it even saucy, look at this. When you come back here, let's say this user that just gave us their email, let's say that they want to come in and enter that email again. And if we do this, look at this. Now, since we have that email in our list, we're like, hey, that email already exists in our list. Try sending a different email. And this is what you're going to be able to build when you come and onboard and learn about our backend database, the endpoints, the actions, and put that together with our front end builder. You're going to be able to build a landing page like this and all the functionalities that are behind the scenes and much, much more. I can't wait to see you in the next video. But if you want to try this Tasky application, you can just go to dittofi.com/996. If you put in your browser, you're gonna get the same thing. Try putting in your email, it's gonna be sent in our database. We're not gonna spam you with any of our emails. This is just a mock landing page that we're using. Now, we're launching a lot of cohorts for our 8 weeks app launch program. If you don't know what that is, go to dittofi.com/website, go there. And once you're there, go to learn. And when you click learn, click boot camps. And then from here, you learn everything that you can learn about our app launch program. Sign up for one of these where myself and other instructors are going to guide you through how to build your applications in 8 weeks and launch them. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.